Have you ever dreamed of breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind, moving beyond the cubicle, and diving into a world of unlimited potential and freedom? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're exploring 7 stellar online side hustles, the perfect stepping stones to your entrepreneurial freedom. First up on this exciting list is freelancing. The digital age has ushered in a new era of work, where skills like graphic design, content writing, and programming are in high demand. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect talented individuals with clients worldwide. The key to success here? Building a strong portfolio, honing your skills, and delivering top-notch work consistently. Next, we delve into blogging. It might seem old school, but blogging still holds its ground in the digital landscape. With a unique voice and a niche topic, your blog can attract an audience and generate income through advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Remember, consistency and quality are your best friends in the blogging world. Third, we have online tutoring. If you have a knack for a particular subject, why not share your knowledge with the world? Platforms like Tutor.com and Chegg Tutors make it easy to connect with students across the globe. The beauty of online tutoring is the flexibility it offers. You can set your hours and rates. Our fourth side hustle is e-commerce. With platforms like Etsy and Shopify, anyone can open an online store. Whether you're selling handcrafted jewelry, vintage clothing, or digital products, e-commerce offers a vast market. Just ensure you offer quality products and excellent customer service to stand out from the crowd. Moving on, we encounter affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other companies' products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You can use your blog, social media, or even a YouTube channel for promotion. The key here is to choose products you truly believe in and to build a trusted audience. Number 6 is social media management. Businesses are always on the lookout for experts who can handle their social media presence. If you're savvy with platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, this could be your ticket to a lucrative side hustle. Master the art of engaging content and analytics to make your mark. Finally, we reach podcasting. This booming industry is ripe with opportunities. If you have a unique perspective or interesting stories to share, starting a podcast could be an excellent move. Monetize your episodes through sponsorships, donations, or premium content. Each of these side hustles holds the potential to not just supplement your income but to replace your 9-to-5 job entirely. They require hard work, dedication, and a dash of creativity. But remember, the journey to entrepreneurial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. So, take that first step today and inch closer to your dream of financial independence.